my name's John. I work in the collision center at Willis, and a few weeks ago we had a Lexus GX 550 SUV come in for repairs. It had a tree fall on it. The estimators write an estimate to start, and then once it's approved, the parts get ordered, the car gets repaired, and then we get it fixed and get it out the door. I had to take the entire interior out, carpet seats, trim panels. You know, to do that, it took about a day, about 8 hours. It is kind of fun to take them apart and put them back together. It can be challenging because some parts aren't as easy to get apart as others, but that's probably the fun part. Probably the hardest part is just, you know, you got to make sure that when you're replacing a panel, it's got to fit good and be welded in properly. If you don't follow procedure, then things tend to not go very well. So just fitment, making sure it's correct. You know, a lot of our customers, they come in and they buy nice cars from us, so when they get it repaired, they want it to look nice. And so we try to take extra care in making sure that everything fits properly and looks good just like it would if it came from the factory.